Welcome to photo-MORPH, an add-on for Google Docs. This is the main UI that shows up when you launch the add-on, and we're going to start by creating a new project. So you use the add-on to create morphing, not really morphing, photographs. We use transition effects, fading in, fade out as the morph effect. So creating a new morph project is you say the size you want for the image. Then you select your photos. You can select from hard drive, your Google Drive, you can grab from web, you can use your webcam, and you can select from your Google Photos. But the easiest way to do this is to actually drag images from your desktop. So let's see, here I have some images. So I'm going to select two of them, and I'm going to drag them in here. And I have now the two photos, and I can say create a project. So then the project designer or the morph designer opens, and to the left here I have the designer part, to the right I have the preview part, and as you can see here it morphs from one picture to the other. I can control this morphing effect by going to edit document properties and look at the animation part here. I'm using the transition length 50% of the frame time itself. If we go to 100%, there will be a constant morphing from one picture to another. I can also, if I want to, change the transition to be a push effect or the slide effect. And I can, for the slide and push, I can choose left, right, up and down. But let's go back to fade. So if you're ready to insert, you just click the insert GIF button up here. This will prompt you to create the GIF. You can change the size if you want to and the animation length. And this will take a while. In this case it needs to generate 50 images. So here is the generated GIF, and then you just click insert image, and the image is sent to your Google Doc. And here is the Google Doc with the inserted GIF. So you're back in the designer. I want to show you a few other things here. You can of course draw on in the designer here. So let's say I want to add an arrow to point something out. I go to the palette section. Here I can choose from any number of arrows. I drag it in. I can point to the nose here, and I can then go to the other frame and take another arrow like this and point to the nose again and go back and forth like that. And you see to the right the animation changes. So that's one way you can manipulate the images. You can also go to effects here and say I want to grayscale the image, and grayscale this one too. And there are all kinds of other features in this add-on that you can experiment with. But that concludes this short demo. Enjoy, and tell us what you think about it.